Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In Python, the locals function returns a dictionary containing all the local variables in the current scope. This can be a handy tool for debugging and introspection. While JavaScript doesn't have an exact equivalent to Python's locals, you can achieve similar functionality by using a combination of techniques. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a JavaScript equivalent of locals, and provide a code example. Step 1. Understanding the scope. In JavaScript, variables can be declared using var, let, or const, and their visibility depends on the block or function scope in which they are defined. To create an equivalent of locals, we need to access the variables within the current scope. Step 2. Using the this keyword. In JavaScript, the this keyword refers to the current execution context, which can be a function, object, or the global context. We can leverage this to access variables defined within the current function scope. Step 3. Creating the JavaScript equivalent. Let's create a JavaScript function named locals, that emulates the behavior of Python's locals. This function will return an object containing all the local variables in the current scope. In this code. Step 4. Testing the code. Run the example code above, and you'll see that it prints an object containing the local variables, name, age, and job, when the example function is called. Remember that this approach has limitations and may not work in all situations, especially in complex scenarios involving closures and nested functions. However, it provides a basic way to access local variables in the current scope in JavaScript, similar to Python's locals. ChatGPT.